Okay, a little lesson in chili anatomy that might come in handy if you should find yourself in a position where you think the chili's going to be hotter than you really want it to be in the dish. So you need to know where all of the heat is concentrated in the chili. So I've got a jalapeno here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to split it down lengthwise, and that's going to show us what this chili is like on the inside. So we have here what they call the placenta. This is the seed pod right in the middle. And then we have these veins that run down to the tip of the chili. The veins are the veins and the seed pod are the place where all the heat is concentrated. Now, I know you've probably heard that you have to take the seeds out of a chili to make it less spicy. The seeds have almost no heat at all. It's the fact that they are embedded in the veins and the seed pod that they get sort of spicy on the outside, because all of the capsaicin, all of that heat that's in the chili is concentrated in the seed pod and the veins. So if you want to get the heat out of the chili, or most of the heat out of the chili, then you take a small knife and you cut down, releasing all of the veins that are there. Come back up this side and you will release that. Okay, so that's all of our hot part of it. And then you want to make sure, if you're really trying to make this chili less spicy, you want to make sure to get all of that vein out of there. Seeds, you can leave them in, take them out, whatever. I kind of like the texture that they add to a salsa. Let me do another one here, and I'm going to go at it from a different angle. I'm going to go from the seed pod down, again making sure to release all of the vein. Okay, so now I've got a perfect example there of the vein and the seed pod, and then a very cleaned chili, minus a few seeds that are in there. So this is the technique that you want to use if you want to make your salsa a little less spicy.